Hey guys, Toby Mathis here, and question I get all the time is, how do I make my personal assets invisible? Well, first off, can you even do that? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. I'm going to show you three major issues that you need to hit, and then I'm going to invite you to a special event. So number one is obscurity. I call it security through obscurity. And what we're doing here is we're using a system of trusts and or LLCs to remove your name from the public record. And believe it or not, there are jurisdictions where you don't have to have your name on a record. And if you're not on a record, like in an LLC, and that LLC is in another jurisdiction acting in a capacity like, say, a trustee of a trust, then there's no way to see you behind it. And that's called security through obscurity. Number two is we're going to make it functionally difficult. In function, it's a really simple way of saying you're going to make it a pain for anybody to find out what you own because you're putting up a series of roadblocks. And those roadblocks, again, take the form of entities, and we'll show you which ones and how to use them. But those things create a roadblock that just makes it prohibitively expensive or annoying, or for lazy people, just something they'll never do to find out what you earn. And then number three is real difficult, making it real. And by real, I mean, if you're going to run a business, do not run it in your name. The exposure is limited, it's unlimited. So we're going to put things around your liability. You're going to learn what inside liability is and outside liability, how to use trust, corporations, LLCs, and other tools to protect yourself. And we're going to offer all of this at our tax and asset protection event. Absolutely free. All you got to do is click on the link.